So yeah, hello guys. We are here to be like we are here to talk about this function. At first, we need to only deal with this thing. Okay, what does this mean even? What does this even mean in our context? In our context, this actually means the star. There are two types of variables basically here. There are the start variables and the end variables. In the start variables, there is an hour start variable and the minute start variable. In the end variable, same thing, hour end and minute end variables. And there is something actually yeah. So start control. If we have 2400, then what happens is that both of these are actually given to, like, what should I say? I think we should do something like, I think 2400 will be problematic because 24 might be wrapping. Let's just see. Let me just show you actually, like the starting of control. At first, let me just show you what happens. 71%, 71%. Now, how much have we passed? 511, and in 86400 seconds. What is the 71% of 86400 seconds? We will find this soon. Okay. See this. This is our date.js, and now let's suppose that we are talking about 17. We are here. It is all of it is in 24 hours. Okay, 24-hour system. I am using basically Node.js for this thing. Okay, this is fully Node.js. Like that they actually, because I am using JavaScript for a CLI purpose, this is totally something out of Node.js. Okay, I think I will use Sublime for the indenter. Let me just quit this one and I will use Sublime for the indenter, but still I will, let me just search actually how to indent code in new vim. Wait, I actually don't know much. Auto indent format code in vim. Yes, this is a good one. And an ID like upturn gg equals g in the whole file automatically equals g. Let's just try it out. gg. Okay, it is already in the beginning of the file and equals g. See, that's magic. That's literal magic. I didn't even need to go to VS Code. Didn't even have to go to VS Code. See, VS Code. See this. I had downloaded VS Code yesterday, but I didn't have to go there because this is so good actually. Like, this thing is so good. I have somewhat used date now because in some cases it was a bit weird, but still. And I have used now because I needed something stable, like the time would stop there, but time is something we can't stop. So basically I took an instance of a time, like I took an instance of a time and then okay. So yeah, let's just okay, check it out again. All this has been perfectly done, but wait, uh no, let's just go. Perfect. See, okay. Now we will paste it. Wait, just do this, and yeah, let's paste it. There is a reason why I am doing this. Started brother, at first started brother will be there, and then we will keep updated brother, because there it should be, all of it should be in, like, so that people can read it easily. Here in while making software, actually the main thing is to make it easy for the coders to read. Control helper, yeah, calc person can be in the end, but oh, updated, but yes, perfect. Where was it? Now V, and now where to go? Start control helper, E, yes, perfect. I have totally revamped the, I have kept the function same, but I have rearranged the functions. Like from the start, what I have done is that this was the whole thing. Okay, we will keep the topmost thing at first. Okay, followed by the bottommost thing, and then whatever. Okay, at first we it is always a rule. It is more of a rule to like keep the functions at first, keep the normal things, what should I say, the abstractions at first. Okay, the init and ended, yes, they are fine, they are indeed fine, but I don't want to actually alter the sequence of these two, because they are basically global variables. And this is, what is this? Only function call. After that, nothing is out of the ordinary. Everything else is fine. 12-hour can be handled by some other function, because we ourselves don't want to handle the 12-hour thing, because like these functions, the simulation is not handling the 12-hour thing, and it shouldn't. Okay, and then we will check out how to integrate this whole thing into Cinnamon, because something we need to integrate them into Cinnamon. How can we integrate them into Cinnamon? For example, what I used, let's just ls, we will actually check out here files slash yes, let's go. Yes, there are some certain things which are actually out there There are a lot of things here like gleep, util, cinnamon, main loop, lang, settings, main, clutter, gdk pix buff, coggle. Oh my goodness, there are a lot of functions, and I don't know how I will actually. These are images. I will have to actually like copy all out of this. I don't know what to do. See this? Oh my goodness, this is so long. This is a refresh function. Oh my goodness, I don't know how to do this much. Okay, wait. Only this much is the actual thing. Okay, the UI and whatever. Get image as scale, my letter prototype, init. The setup is done. The setup UI, okay. The setup UI is okay. I think we can simulate this somehow. Let's try it out. cd dot ls. I think we should actually do this. Wait. This is just so. Anyway, what is this? I've only kept shell toolkit and escalate for this thing. However, let's see. Okay, wait. At first, the window is under the stbin object. Okay, stbin object, as we have previously talked about, stbin is the whole C. Like in JavaScript, it might be something like st.bin, like something like that. Like the proper object demarcation is there, but in C, it's all stbin. The stbin is the function in itself. There is nothing called st.bin. When you call the function bin, you will get stbin. The function will call towards stbin and st-label. Let's talk about st-label because this is a very interesting one, a very interesting case to say the least. st-label. We need to talk about st-label because this is a very good one. st-label. We will just this is for just simple just text display. Okay. Let's actually use this. Now, if you have seen it, then from 12 midnight to 12 from 12 midnight, this can be considered, eh? But the thing is, it's not actually saying like it would feel like what should I say, 71%. Now if we take it, it will be 71% of something like that. Would it be better for us? Obviously not, because 86400 seconds. Now if we divide the whole thing by 100, like for for 100% is it's 86400 seconds. for 1 second it is like, it is literally for 1% it is like 864 seconds, and 864 seconds is what should I say, one and 26. Okay, so 26 and 1 and 14 minutes something something seconds, 14 minutes and I don't know how many seconds, but yeah, 14 minutes and 24 seconds, 14 minutes 24 seconds. So that's it for the 64 seconds. So 1% is passed when 14 minutes and 24 seconds is already passed. Now it is quite infeasible for us for 12 midnight to 12 midnight. That will be a problem for us because it is already been 50% when it is when we are rising. Then that would be detrimental for us. That's why what I have done is that I have tried to shift it. Okay. Now if I try to run the script, yes, it will run. It will run at first. Now, okay. But I need to bring this thing here. MV / home / wait, this is just so hard, like not exactly hard, but I don't know what is happening to my hair. Are you guys there? No current live streams. Yes, let's go. And now, this is fine. Okay. So yeah, what are we doing? Code switch codes, YouTube. Let's just at first let's ls this thing. Let's ls this place. Okay. And now we'll take the read.js and we will keep it here. Not exactly this, but yeah. We will keep it like this because there is a reason why. There are two JS files. I do understand, but we'll keep it like this at this point. Okay. .js. We will slowly just copy a lot of functions from here. Just yank a lot of functions from here. Okay. think also I think we need to actually be a bit like we need to change a lot of stuff. We need to be able to change a lot of stuff. Or like what should I say? Let's just at first keep all these functions. Hmm. No, no, no. Okay, thank God. I think we can do something like this. Just read the right. Yeah, that's it. Something like this, what we all have wanted. Let's go. We are doing it the right way. Start control. Colon function. I think we should have accounted for this function. Okay. Well, whatever. Yes. And now okay. Control helper. Let's just copy this. And what will we do? let's go. My goodness. I'm here, guys. Retab. Let's see retab. Wait, what? That's very weird. Yes, this is what we wanted. Let's just see this. Colon S, colon percentage. These guys actually recommend wait. Wait. colon percentage forward slash backslash t forward slash 1234. Right. Good job. We did it, guys. We are successfully new Vim nerds. We have successfully used sed. ACD sed. Let's go guys. हम ज़ार ज़ार रोते हैं चैन से भी सोते हैं. रुको, just wait. I mean, there needs to be a loop-like thing basically. It should actually call it continuously. Is there any way to call it continuously? I think we need to basically check that out. Anyway. Okay. But seriously, what was my question at first? What was my question? Like, I wanted to find how would the shell toolkit be when, well, when what? Like, from games to GUIs, we need something that would actually repeat, that would actually go on for a certain time. It would not be hampered. What's the thing like that in their help? How do we ensure that this won't hamper? Like, is there any clock or something like that which would actually make us call that thing on and on and on? Is there anything like that? Time. I think we actually need to look at the source codes of various. You guys just wait for a while, okay? Yeah, I do. Hello. This guy is just so cool actually. Wait. This guy is actually quite cool. Hello, bro. I actually forgot to check out the chat, but I was just too much intrigued with this thing, you know. Yes. So actually, I was quite intrigued. Okay, now I do code like I code anytime. Ah, yes, this is what we wanted. Now it's cool. Yes, OBS is now looking great. Yes, that's it. So, what are we talking about? Okay. Now see, in a game, what we do in a game. So, at first, in a game, it's when we start, all the objects go backwards. Okay. there are a lot of tricks we need to do while building it. Like the rendering of Minecraft is a very weird concept, and there were triangles used on how triangles were used to render Minecraft stuff. Then triangles are actually still used a lot. Triangles are not only for bridges and all. Triangles are also for the basic shapes while rendering. They are an extremely important asset for all of us. And now, what happens is that so uh, I am actually coughing a lot. Okay, so what I am actually talking about to you all is this. Wait, let me just apply charger. Is it here? Yes, here it is. Yeah. So, what are we doing? Let's just close the Sublime Text. Let's just give you a summary of what we did today. Okay. We did. No, not this. Oh wait. Yes. There are these kinds of. First of all, this is the desklet. Okay. This is mainly boilerplate code. This is nothing. This is nothing but boilerplate code. This is the first of all. Let me just show you what is actually out there. At first, the imports thing. Actually, we are we are using CJS, Cinnamon.js for like this is JavaScript repurposed for Cinnamon, for the Cinnamon desktop, and a lot of stuff are actually Linux Mint developer guide. Let me just show you. Why do they use this? They have a reason behind using this thing. Building, yes. No. Technology. Actually, they use JavaScript for the graphical elements of Cinnamon, as well as for Cinnamon applets, disklets, and extensions. Okay. They actually use JavaScript for this stuff. And now, what actually happens? Now, this is the main function. This is mainly boilerplate code. You guys won't need to actually worry about it. I actually searched the documentation and the internet for finding this. This is what do you guys know what is this? This is basically these are actually UI and GI folders. Okay, UI and GI, there are folders, and under this GI folder there is ST. There is a folder called ST, and under this UI folder there is a folder called small d desklet. The desklet with a small d, okay, small letter d. These two, we are keeping these two as like, I really don't exactly know what they represent as. Like if I print it, then what will be shown? But I don't want to know, because that would be a very weird. So we will be just dealing with this boilerplate thing, and this mean and the prototype. What will be the prototype? The prototype, okay, this is okay, and this is basically calling this function. Okay, this is a custom made function, and this custom made function is out there to help all of us in calling this stuff. Okay. Okay, nothing is out there. No. Yes. Why is it displaying like this? No. I don't. Okay. This is already fine. Let's just save it. Why is it? Okay. Anyway. Why are we using this? Yes, now it's what happens now. I haven't done anything. This hello world will be the same, and I haven't even given the global variables because I don't know what will happen. I'm just waiting for what might happen. Because this is a bit weird, to say the least. Are you guys there? Okay. Now, what happens? So, anyway. Quick note before that. Before we are actually like concerned about anything, we will be talking about. We will be talking about something else now. Or should we? We will be talking about the UI UX design, like the colors. Okay. What is HSV? No. I am talking about HSL. No. HSL and HSV. We are talking about colors. Yes, see this? These are colors. And computer vision. At first, these are basically cylindrical stuff. Now HSL, what HSL does is that the lightness HSL and HSV or HSB, okay, and lightness and the distance along the basic principle, cylindrical. They are cylindrical basically, and there is a very good video actually regarding. There was a very good video by some Minecraft YouTuber about HSL versus HSV color spaces. He actually does a lot of he has a prowess over command blocks that Minecraft YouTuber has. Like, he is an expert on command blocks. Like, he does a lot of cool stuff regarding command blocks. And therefore, like, and he actually demonstrated how HSL and HSV are. HSV is where like everything white thing. Do you see this? Everything something like white or something like that goes above. Okay, white and here black. The above is white, the lower is black. However, in here, in the HSV thing, everything, the value is actually brightness. It is not saturation. What lightness? It is not lightness. It is the brightness. Brightness and lightness have very much differences. Okay. I think where is the RGB color space is quite unintuitive, you know. But let us see this, because this might be actually very much insightful. RGB cube, tilt cube, and add seams. Okay, this is an RGB cube. Let me just show you, because this is going to be important. RGB cube. In one side there is black, in another side there is white. Like, imagine take a cube in your hand, might be a Rubik's cube, and just feel the corners. Okay, the corners of the cube. Okay, and now in that cube we will only focus on the vertices. Okay, there is one portion there is red, and there is another portion there is green, and the portion there is blue. Okay, But there are also combinations. There does exist combinations like red, green, blue. We have done a while we are doing stuff like this, where there are a lot of things. Do you see? This is this yellow thing, and this magenta thing, and this cyan or whatever which of them, which one of them is cyan, I don't know. But this cyan thing and this black and white. This black and white is very much important for this for our discussion, because in the middle, actually, when RGB is in the middle, we get grayscale. When the red, green, and blue, our basically our rods and cones. When our rods and cones, the color blindness, like absolute color blindness, occurs when all the core of the color pigments of the cones uh, have the same level. Like they don't have different levels. Only then the color blindness occurs. Total color blindness. They actually see the world in grayscale. I'm not joking, but many people see the world like how